My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Cache Cleaner. The peculiarity of this extension is that this one is specifically for Microsoft Edge browser. The trouble with this extension is that it often is spread through a lot of misleading pop-ups. For instance, one of the pop-ups that spreads this extension is usethemarketing.com. This is a deceptive pop-up that claims that your browser requires some update, but when people mistakenly perform such fake update, they actually install this Cache Cleaner extension. This extension actually operates as adware that displays notifications and even reads your browsing history in order to show advertisements based on your browsing history. So, in other words, this Cache Cleaner extension operates as adware. You should remove it immediately from your Google Chrome. Access the menu, click on Extensions. When you find this Cache Cleaner extension, click on this button and select the option to remove it from Microsoft Edge. This is done. I also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official resource combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help in order to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.